Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and the exact place you'll test. This is critical so changes apply. Once done, press F9 or select Developer Console from the View menu to reveal the panel. Make sure you're on the correct account and server instance, otherwise commands won't affect the right session. You'll see tabs for Server, Client, Logs, and Network. Use the Console tab to enter commands. This step primes you to run and observe immediate feedback. You'll type commands directly into the console input. Start with small tests to confirm behavior. Because some commands run on the client or server, verify context, use local functions for client actions, and remote invokes for server tasks. Once confident, run full commands and watch the logs and network tabs for errors or delayed events. If you need to automate, paste multi-line code via module scripts rather than long console entries. This reduces typos and ensures reproducibility for later testing. You finish by saving any validated code to server script service or module scripts so it persists beyond the console session. Then run a fresh playtest to confirm behavior in a clean environment. This eliminates transient console-side state. If something fails, reproduce the issue step by step and inspect the logs for stack traces. Often a typo or incorrect object path is to blame. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the instance or clear Roblox cache before retesting to remove stale state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.